Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Mini Cooper key battery. This is a simple task you can do at home in just a few minutes. You will need a new CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Having the right tools makes the process smooth and prevents any damage to your key fob. Let's get started with the first step. Now that you have your tools ready, let's open the key fob. First, locate the small silver button on the side of your fob and press it firmly. This will release the integrated metal key, which you should then pull out. Next, use the tip of this metal key or your small flathead tool to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful to avoid scratching the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old circular battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment. Pay attention to how it was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upward. Now, take your new CR2032 3-volt battery and insert it into the compartment. Make sure the positive side is facing up, just like the old one was, to ensure proper function. You're almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the integrated metal key back into its housing until you hear a distinct click, confirming it's locked. Finally, test your newly reassembled key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Mini Cooper. It should now work perfectly, giving you full control again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.